This is definitely an oversaturated market when it comes to roofing contractors. We really thought that we needed to try to differentiate ourselves. My name is Janice Stitzer of CIG Construction here in Westminster, Colorado. I am one of the co-founders along with my husband Kelly. We've been in business for going on 10 years.
We like to be in the forefront of technology, and the construction industry is always behind a curve on that. I mean, there's people still measuring roofs today, hand measuring roofs. I mean, it makes no sense.
We just went with Loveland's technology because of ease of use. It was an easy choice to have Loveland as part of what we integrate into our job scopes. Aerial reports are now getting outdated, and there's a lot of people that don't realize that. We can either do pictures from the ground or pictures overhead that we can get immediate feedback. That's really why we're embracing technology.
The whole drone inspection and any of this technology elevates your status to the homeowner. It really helps us be more efficient and more productive.
You don't have somebody crawling on your roof and trying to figure out if it's hail damage, if it's not hail damage, versus a completely unbiased scan that's done with the deep learning of imaging.
The safety aspect of somebody not having to get on a roof is huge. It's just not worth it for me to have anybody get injured, number one. Number two, there's some great salesmen out there that won't do it because they have to get on a roof.
When we provide our account managers the option of a drone scan, they have a better comfort level knowing that they can deliver to the homeowner an accurate report without actually having to get on the roof. Drone technology has evolved so quickly that we really want to make that a part of our business and our efficiency in how we run our business.